Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat at welcome po sa Tuesday edition ng The Stock Market Today. Ngayon po ay August 8, 2023, Tuesday. At malapit na po tayong magpasko. Yan. Hindi ko lang nasundan yung countdown. Anyway, ang ating main news po ay tungkol po sa Metro Pacific. Meron po tayong balita sa Metro Pacific ngayon. And bago po ang lahat, pumunta po muna tayo sa ating headlines. Dito po tayo sa BDO Securities. Okay, ang headlines po ay SEC core profits dropped 26% on lower coal prices in the first half of 2023. So mamaya po, tingnan po natin si SEC. And then SMPH net income soars 49% year-on-year to 10 billion. Kalak silang interchange ready to open in September. Okay, ang main news po natin ay Metro Pacific. And mainit na mainit po ito, no? Dahil kalalabas lang po ng balitang ito. And this came from their disclosure in the PSE. Una po, tingnan po natin yung results of the special stockholders meeting, And let me put that up. Okay, kita nyo po yan. Okay, results of the special stockholders meeting held today, August 8, 2023, this morning po yan. During this meeting of MPIC held on August 8, the shareholders representing more than 77% of the outstanding common shares approved the proposal to voluntarily delist from the main board of the PSE. Furthermore, shareholders representing less than 1% of the outstanding common shares voted against the proposal to delist. So magde-delist po si MPI. Under the amended voluntary delisting rules of the PSE, for shareholders to approve the delisting, the shareholders owning at least 2/3 of the outstanding listed shares of the company must approve the delisting, and the number of votes cast against the delisting proposal must comprise not more than 10% of the total outstanding listed share of the company. In other words, ang conclusion niya dito, based on the foregoing, the proposal to delist MPIC's common shares was approved by the shareholders of the company. In other words, more than 90% approved the delisting. Kasi in order na hindi matuluyan, kailangan at least 10% of the outstanding shares must cast their vote against the listing. Pero hindi, 1% lang po ang nag-vote against the delisting. So matutuloy po ang delisting. Ngayon, ang magandang tanong dyan ay magkano ba? Di ba? Magkano ba yan? So tingnan uli natin ang tender offer report. Okay, kita nyo yan? Okay, the tender offer report is this, Tender offer shares, at least 9.106 billion common shares. Tender offer price is $5.20 per share. Entitlement, all common shareholders of the company other than the directors of MPI with respect to their qualifying shares in the common shares held by the bidders. The start of the tender offer period is August 9. The end of the tender offer period is September 7. And the settlement date is on September 19. So if you are holders of shares of MPI at gusto nyong ibenta ang inyong shares, pwede na po at $5.20 per share. So marami po nagsasabi dito na napakababa naman yan, pero nasa sa inyo po yun, Kasi sa akin, I'm a stockholder of Metro Pacific and I own a significant number of shares. Bebenta ko na. Kasi matagal-tagal na rin po natin ganyan eh. And considering na yung kanyang fundamental price is, well, shall we say, very near na po doon sa tender offer price. So, tingnan po natin. Balik po natin dito. Yan, Metro Pacific. Kung titingnan po natin si Metro Pacific, ang kanyang target price, consumer, takihan natin. Yan, Metro Pacific, conglomerates, target price po niya is 560. Yan po yung fundamental price. So, fundamental price po yan ni Videosec. So, it's just off by 40 centavos. Sa akin, I'll sell it na. Pero nasa sa inyo po yun, if you don't want to sell, you are still stockholders of the company. Kaya lang, mahihirapan na kayo magbenta. Dahil wala na yan sa stock market. Wala na po yan sa PSE. So, maghahanap ka ng seller. Yan po ang mahirap sa privately held company, no? Magiging privately held company na po Metro Pacific. Pero, entitled pa rin kayo sa dividends kung magbibigay po ng dividends ang kumpanya. Yun po. Pero, selling the shares, if you wanted to hold the shares in the long run, then well and good, long-term investor. But if you wanted cash, you cannot sell it at once. Mahirap po. Pero I leave it up to you, to your sound judgment and decision. So yan po ang kwento ni Metro Pacific. And Metro Pacific closed at 497, opening at 489. Yan po. So, balik po tayo sa PSE index. Down po ang index, 34.81 points, nasa 6472.97 or 0.53% down. Ngayon po, ang all-share index naman ay down din po ng 0.37%. Samantalang, mixed po ang mga sectoral indices. Mining is flat. Financials, holding companies, and properties are down. Samantalang ang industrials and services are up. Ang most active stock is Ali, followed by Metro Pacific, and then ICT and SM. Pero tingnan po natin si MPI, Ali, Bloom at SCC. Pero bago po yan, meron pong tanong dito si Mike Miguel. Good day, sir. Ask ko lang po paano time frame for Bloom to go back sa PSE considering that the tender offer process of MPI is on September 9. Will it be on the same date or earlier date? Thanks. Actually, Mike, napakaganda ng tanong mo, pero hindi ko po alam ang sagot. I-research ko po muna, pero feel ko lang po, no? Wala po akong basis dito, pero feel ko lang is that immediately po yan ma-replace ni Bloom. Kasi sa pagkakatanda ko, the index is computed based on 30 companies. And mawala po yung isa, ay ma-upset po yung formula. Yun po yung pagkakaintindi ko dyan. So, ma-replace kagad po siya. And the best bet to replace Metro Pacific is Bloom. Kaya po, kung titingnan po ninyo si Bloom, pero mamaya na po natin tingnan. Umakyat po si Bloom . Anyway, so yun po ang best candidate. Pero hindi po ako, I'm just guessing, Mike, ha? Hindi ko po alam ang sagot. But that is my guess on what will happen. Okay. So, tingnan na po natin si Metro Pacific. Umakyat po siya sandali, no? Yan po. Pero napakalaki po ng volume niya kasi it's the second most active stock, 1.43%. So, yun po. Nananatili po siya dyan. Now, if you want to sell now, pwede po at a discounted 497. But as for me, I'll wait for it. Next month lang yun . Diba? I'll wait for the tender offer. Yan. And then next we have Ali. Si Ali, bakit din si Ali? Ayan, no? Napaka-bullish po ni Ali. In fact, nagkaroon na po siya ng cross dito. It's a golden cross. So, paakyat na po siya and it is overbought already at 71. Ngayon, ang next resistance po niya, nakikita ko po dito sa 31. 31.30 po ang next resistance po ni Ali. Pero bullish na po siya. And then si Bloom naman, ito po yung napipintong papalit sa index eh. Yan, oh, merong green engulfing candlestick with volume. Pero hindi po ito breakout dahil hindi po siya 2-week high eh. Yan. Pero yan po si Bloom. And the trend of Bloom is moving upwards eh. So if we will draw a parallel channel, something like that. Ganyan po ang mangyayari kay Bloom. Yan. More or less ganyan po yung kanyang movement with support at 10.40 and resistance at 11 or 12.21 more or less po. Based po dito sa parallel channel. Then finally, si SCC. SCC, consolidate lang siya, no? Pero breakout po ito dito. Nag-breakout po siya. Let's put our indicators yan. Pero let's collapse this. Yan, okay. So, there is a cross here. But the black line's already under the candlestick. And yung earnings report kasi niya is that kumita siya pero nag-soften yung nickel prices kasi. Kaya hindi siya gaanong lumaki, no? Pero kita pa rin siya. So yan po yung consolidation niya. And it is just consolidating on the resistance level. Near resistance na po ito. Dito po. And remember, there is a huge gap up and a gap down. Gap up dito eh. And then gap down here. Na kailangan ma-fill. No? So sooner or later that will be filled by the prices moving upwards. So, yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-8 ng Agosto. Ito po si Benji Chidoro nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe. God bless. Bye for now.